In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate the Spec 20. Our controls are at the top for adjusting wavelength. They have the up arrow nanometer and the down arrow nanometer button. We can press those to change the wavelength of the instrument. To zero it, we'll press the 0 ABS 100% T button. To cycle through our menus for absorption, transmittance, and to do calibration standards, we'll press the third button. Now, to load our sample into the cuvette, we will take an eyedropper and fill it with our solution. And then we will insert the solution into the cuvette, and we need the cuvette to be at least 3/4 full. Now, before we can measure our sample, we have to measure a blank. So we'll open the lid, and we'll insert a cuvette full of deionized water to be our blank. It will sit down in the slot, and it'll be a little bit snug, so press it in. And then close the lid and press the absorption button, the 0 ABS, and it will take a second, and now it will measure the blank sample. Moving on to our actual sample, we'll again open the lid and remove our blank, and then we will insert our sample. And again, the cuvette may be snug, that's okay. And now we close our lid and we give it a few seconds to make our measurement, and that's how we perform our analysis.